Good morning, everyone. First, let me just say how grateful I am to be speaking here with all of you today. Seeing so many passionate, talented, and driven youth leaders gathered in one place fills me with so much hope, not just for our organization, but for our nation. Each of you has a unique story, a purpose, and a calling. You're not here by accident. You're here because you believe in something bigger than yourself. You believe in the vision of Youth on the Rock to raise godly, patriotic, and excellent leaders who will transform our communities and this nation. But let me ask you this question. How badly do you want it? How far are you willing to go to make this vision a reality? Because the truth is, leadership isn't easy. Sometimes you'll feel overwhelmed with the school, with the responsibilities, with the expectations, and sometimes you'll feel like giving up, right? But I want you to remember this. You are not alone. God has placed you here for a reason, and He will give you the strength, the wisdom, and the courage to fulfill your purpose. But it starts with a decision to rise up, a decision to step out of your comfort zone and give your best in everything you do. Here's what I want to challenge you with today. Number one is to commit to excellence in everything. Whether it's your studies, your leadership, or your personal growth, always give your best. Excellence is not about perfection. It's about consistency. It's about showing up, putting in the right effort that is needed, and doing what is right even when no one is watching. Because when you excel, you inspire others to do the same. Second is to expand your influence. Right now, you are the face of Youth on the Rock in your schools, in your communities. So it means what you say, how you react, how you lead, it reflects not just our organization, but the God we serve. Be the kind of leader who lifts others up, who listens, and who makes a difference. And lastly, empower others. Leadership is never about doing it all on your own. It's about empowering others to rise with you. So it's better to find someone to mentor, someone to encourage, someone to bring along in this journey. Because when we raise leaders, we raise a generation of hope. So as we go through today's training and workshop, I want you to ask yourself, how can I lead better? How can I grow deeper in my faith? How can I excel in my studies? How can I create a lasting impact? Because you have what it takes. You have the potential to be the leader this nation needs. But it's up to you to decide. Will you settle for less or will you rise to the challenge? Always remember that I also believe in you. And more importantly, God believes in you. So let's make this day count. Let's learn, grow, and live this place ready to lead with passion, purpose, and excellence. Thank you, and let's rise together.